Wow, this is a pretty tune. You want me to sing a song for you? Yeah? Should we sing about what? Rainbows? Should we sing about Cocomelon?
Cocomelon.
Should we sing about,
Cocomelon.
what's his name?
JJ.
JJ? JJ loves, what's her name? Change the world, are beautiful. What's her name? It's Coco? JJ loves Coco. Coco loves Jojo. Is that her name? Rainbow children, all the children of the bird. Tom loves Coco. Coco loves playing together. Tom too. Well, I think that's pretty cool. Tom and Coco. I think they're children playing cartoon animated characters. Let's go. What? What are you looking for? Consciousness is different. Little blue skirt. Put it over there. Remember? Remember your ballerina skirt right here. Be a ballerina. Be so beautiful. Move your body. Be a ballerina. Let's go. Twirl and twirl and twirl and twirl. Move around. You're a beautiful little girl. Whoa, yeah. Put on your shirt. It looks like a rainbow. So beautiful. Ooh, like the moon we saw tonight. Did we see a moon tonight? It was in a rainbow of colors. You look like the moon. You're beautiful in your pretty little skirt you're wearing. Your thoughts for the
And I have a hair tie.
You have a hair what?
A hair tie.
The rainbow one? No? There you go. And we go. Twirl, 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 little girl, come out, twirl. You're not sleepy at all. Don't be afraid. Why not? What's going on with you? Why aren't you sleepy, little? I think the age of 3 is the new 6 going on here. Yeah. Just having fun. There's your other your dad. Too hard. Your daddy's going to be good. So beautiful. So cute. Pumpkin pie, apple pie too. Woo, we did it. Perfect. Anything else in the sky we can see today?
No.
Anybody else want to come play? Let's go this way. The moon will keep a watch over us. Yeah. And we'll keep a watch on the moon.
Where is it?
It went behind the cloud.
There it is.
How'd it get all the way over there?
Look at my car.
Yeah.
Look at the tall trees. It's so dark over here, and it's bright over there.
I bet you if we go over here though, we can make it go bright. Because the moon's gonna follow us. Uh-oh, we better tell your mom where you are. Look, your eyes will get used to it though. Look at me in my face. Look, pretty soon your eyes will I'll start looking brighter and brighter. Because our eyes get used to each other. Ready? Wait, tell me when you can see me better.
See you better.
Can you?
Yeah.
I can't see you. All right. It's so cloudy. I wish it would snow.
Yeah, because it's almost Christmas.
How about you say,
Look at that cool
where?
star.
Ooh, look what you saw, a star. Let me get a shot of that. Ooh, that's pretty. Hold up, that's
Look at the moon.
where? Where? Wow! Whoa! Look at this. My camera.
Oh my
That
gosh,
looks
I think
pretty.
she may have seen
Thank
a floating orb.
Wow,
And
that's
I
so
didn't see it, but her
beautiful.
little
What
eyes
is that?
did.
The
Oh my
moon.
gosh. I just
what
watched
is
a
that
video on that
shiny thing
too.
in there?
Where?
The
That
circle.
line, the circle right there is the moon. See? The moon.
But I just don't lighty it.
Why is it brighter on the camera?
No, she said
guess
she
'cause
just
the
saw a
camera makes
lighty, a light
look brighter,
thing.
that's all.
And then she says it turns
Look,
black. Oh
it's
my
turning
gosh.
black now.
Where?
Oh, and there.
Where?
Right there.
I think
I
she
don't know,
saw
I
an
see it right
orb
there.
that
Wait,
I
where's the
couldn't
star? Oh,
see.
Starman Way.
Oh my gosh, for real.
Oh.